Hello, I am Tatiana Whitlock, Director of Training with A Girl and a Gun, and it is my great pleasure to introduce you to Willie Parent for today's instructor highlight. Willie Parent is the Director of Training for GLOCK Professional and GSSF. He spent 17 years on active duty in the Marine Corps with assignments in infantry, force recon, special operations, and as an instructor in explosive breaching, CQB, and urban sniping. Willie is an accomplished competition shooter and continues to stay active in training the law enforcement community and instructor development as part of his role at GLOCK. Welcome, Willie, and thank you for donating your time and knowledge to the A Girl and a Gun community.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So we'd like to take a few minutes to introduce you and what you do to the ladies who follow us and to the gentlemen as well, so they can pass this information on to the ladies they love in their lives. Tell us a little bit about the work that you do at GLOCK, specifically as it relates to supporting women in firearms training.
Well, in a nutshell, I'm the Director of Training and the GLOCK Sports Shooting Foundation. So it's kind of under one roof of two businesses, essentially. The competitive side of the house, we have the GLOCK Sports Shooting Foundation, which was founded about 28 years ago now. It's the GLOCK who still works with us. Started that up as a way of the competitive world as well as law enforcement are really accepting a plastic pistol into the U.S. at that time. So Mr. GLOCK said, okay, well, I'm going to start up my own competition. And that's what he did. So with that there, we have a vision for every single pistol that's out there. We have approximately 55, 56 outdoor matches around the country. We have visions for seniors, for juniors, for women. The GLOCK Girl side matches, the longer side matches, an actual division now, as well as masters. So essentially, you can go to one of these matches and participation, you performance awards, as well as random draws. So you end up walking away with cash, a gun, knives, e-tools, whatever the case is, literally come in last in that matter because it's spread out so amongst it. It's not just the people that are at the top of the razor's edge that are winning. Spread it out across the whole board. And then we also have indoor leagues as part of the GSSF program for those out facilities that aren't as big as some of these outdoors that have hundreds of people come to it. So it's more of use the D1 target. So we have par times at different distances depending on what that range is capable of. So you can go to an indoor range and ask, hey, can you host a GSSF match? For the indoor league, we have that as well. Those individuals have to be on range programs because it is a GLOCK event and shoot GLOCK. So they can rent pistols, whatever the case is. And the other half of the business is the training aspect. So we provide training for armors as well as call advanced armor. Our armor course is an 8-hour day, which is depot level. So you go through everything you need to maintain that pistol. And the certificate's good for 3 years. And for those people that have been GLOCK armors for 7 years, we offer the advanced armor course, which is a 2-day course that gets into a little bit more detail on the history and whys of the pistol itself, as well as some scenario runs that they have to do. Scenario runs on problems that our warranty section actually gets from our clients. So it's actually realistic things that we see all the time. Shooting aspect, we have a 2-day shooting course called the Operator's Course, which is not Velcro and beards and multi-cam. It's actually operating the pistol. And then cover everything from presentation out of the holster all the way to shooting and everything in between. Then we also have a instructor workshop, which is continuing education. We just opened it up now, so it's military and law enforcement firearms instructors, NRA law enforcement instructors. But anybody who's attended an operator course has a shutter evaluation course. Got a level 2, 3, or 4. We also do that operator course as well for continuing education. Not certifying you as an instructor, it's continuing education for their instructors out there. And then we also just came out, getting ready to release it right now, low profile carry course, which is everyday carry. I changed it to low profile because I don't want it to be misconstrued with, say, the North Carolina concealed carry course, which deals with laws governing deadly force and things of that nature. We teach techniques, not legalities or tactics. And then we've got a couple other things that are coming down the pipe here really quickly. So that's kind of in a nutshell. I facilitate my team, all that stuff.
Well, that's not a small list, but it's a fantastic list. And there's a bunch of those that I'd like to come and hang out and spend some time with you on the range to participate in. That would be fantastic. So the next question I have for you is you have I think GLOCK does a fantastic job of making women feel welcome in these programs. You do women's only programs. You do programs for the A Girl and a Gun community where we've had every year multiple large groups of ladies come through your armorers program and get certified as armorers. And they are now the biggest GLOCK nerds ever, and it is fabulous, and I love to see it. Tell us a little bit about what is your experience in working with women? What is the biggest question they come to you with?
Well, my experience is my family and I have a gun shop outside of North Carolina, and what we're finding is a lot of our wives actually have fell. So what I find frustrating is that people would come into the shop and get my wife, who's the actual business partner, owner, brother and father, and she's actually FFL, and say, well, hey, I have a question, I need to talk to a guy. It's like, what are you talking about? So I found that extremely frustrating to see. So I started doing these classes, and I learned very quickly that you cannot have a husband in a ladies class. So I started doing that, I guess, about 2008. And then when I came here to GLOCK, I wanted to continue doing it, but trying to find a way that's going to make me comfortable doing it. Because to be honest with you, training a woman is so much easier than training a guy. It really is. These ladies come to us for the arms training as well as the operative course. They check their egos at the door. They come here to learn. And they have a good time doing it. That's what we like to do. If you have a good time, you absorb more of that knowledge as opposed to just sitting there in survival mode, getting kicked out. The attitudes and things of that nature. So, yeah, that's kind of where we've been going, and it seems to slowly be growing. It's a good thing.
It absolutely is. It's a wonderful thing, and we're seeing the growth within the A Girl and a Gun community. We're very, very grateful for brands like GLOCK for supporting us and for contributing your time and resources and knowledge to the A Girl and a Gun National Conference, and we're thrilled to have you joining us this year. If folks are looking to find out more about GLOCK programs, about the programs that you offer and the classes that we discussed, where can they go to find you online?
You can go to blocktraining.com, or then you go to GSSF online. And each page will have kind of a link. We'll admit it is an archaic, guarantee that. That's what it is.
Fantastic. Well, we will share all of those details in the show notes, which will be located below this video. So thank you again so much for your time, Willie. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
See you guys out there.